So guys, before I start the video, I'm really sorry about my face looking like that. I'm not wearing any makeup and it is that time of the month, guys. I have a big acne on my forehead and I decided not to put on any makeup because I don't want to, disturb my skin. So with that said, let's begin with the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you my favorite pink lipsticks. Now I have already shared my favorite nude lipsticks and also lipstick for Indian and more a darker skin tone. Now I have a lot of pink lipsticks as well that I want to share with you. Now all of them are very affordable and I know a lot of you have requested me for a haul for pink lipstick, but I needed to restock them again because a lot of them that I was personally having were almost like finished, so I had to buy. And so yeah, I have been trying them from a very long time and some of them are new. So let me share with you all of my favorite pink lipsticks. So let's begin with the video, guys. So guys, the first lipstick that I have for you is this one, and this is from the Color Bar, and this is in the shade Secretly Pink number 62. Now this is a very beautiful lipstick, guys. Show you this shade on my hand over here. It's a very beautiful, like pure pink lipstick. It does not have any undertones or as such. It's a complete pink, a natural pink looking lipstick. I love this lipstick. I have been using this for quite some time. This does not dry your lips and also it is very moisturizing and also very lightweight onto your lips, so you can definitely go ahead and try this one. This retails for $2.99, so you can check the link that I have shared in the description box to get this one. Now moving on to the second lipstick, this is one of my favorites and this is the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Mousse lipstick. This is a very lightweight lipstick, guys. Also this is a lipstick plus a blush, so you would really love this one. Now this has a little bit of mauve undertone to it, so let me go ahead and give you a swatch over here on my hand. I've also shared this one in my nude pink lipsticks. You can check that video. You can see this color. It's a very beautiful lipstick, and also this is very moussey, very lightweight, and also does not budge. So this is a very good, nice matte finish. So I would really highly recommend this one. If you want to go for something which is like a normal nude pink, you can definitely go for this one, guys. Now moving on to the third shade, guys. This is my all-time favorite. This is the one from Sugar, and this is in the shade Peachy Little Liars. I have shared this lipstick numerous times on my channel. I am a sucker for this lipstick. I love the way this sits on my skin tone especially. So if you're anywhere close to my skin tone, you can go and try this one. Let me explain what my skin tone is. Now I have very warm undertones and I am on the whitish side. So if you want, you can go ahead and try this one. Let me go ahead and give you a swatch of this particular lipstick on my hand right here. So you can see how beautiful this lipstick is. This is a very beautiful light pink lipstick. So if you love light pink shades, you can definitely go for this one. Also I got this at a very good price. So there was a sale going on Sugar that time. I got this one at that time only, I guess. I will share a link of my Sugar all over here. You can check that video. I got a lot of stuff from Sugar that time. So yeah, this one is a very good. I will share a link in the description box. Go ahead and check that out. It will take you straight to the Sugar website or wherever this is available on the lowest price. I will share that link particularly, so you can check this one also, guys. And now coming to this next lipstick. Now this is the Lakme Forever Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Nude Dream, and it's a very good, very affordable lipstick, guys. Out of all of this, if you want to ask me like personally which one I would say will be the best for somebody who likes a pink lipstick, I will definitely recommend you this one. Also, this is very affordable. This comes for $249 and also this is from Lakme, so you will really love this lipstick. Let me go ahead and give you a swatch of this particular lipstick and see how beautiful this lipstick is. It stays matte all day, does not budge. But then there's one problem with this, that you will have to apply another coat because it is not very opaque. So when you apply the first coat, it stays a little transparent. But then if you go ahead and just swipe one more time, it will give you a very beautiful opaque finish. Now moving on to the next lipstick, guys. These are from Sugar. Now these are the Sugar mini lipsticks and these are liquid lipsticks. So first one that I have here for you is number 38 Dose of Rose. And this is a very beautiful lip shade. I am wearing this right now. You can see how beautiful this is and also looks very good on people with whitish skin tone. You know, in fact, all skin tones can rock this color specifically. And let me go ahead and give you a swatch what this looks like. So let me go ahead and show you. You can see the shade. It's a very beautiful rosy pink color. Also, Sugar lipsticks are very good quality. So this one, if you buy this one, you will not regret it. This is a very good lipstick. From the same range, I have another shade for you which is a little darker than this one. Now this is in the shade 07 Rethink Pink. Now this is also a very beautiful shade, and if you are somebody with very fair skin tone, or if you are somebody with very dark, deep, beautiful skin tone, this will look so beautiful on you guys. Let me go ahead and give you this color swatch. I'm so sorry about that swatch. Just look at the color, guys. It's a very beautiful dark pink shade. I just love this shade, guys. Yeah, these are all the lipsticks that I have for you in pink tone. Now I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, please give a big like and also comment down below what video you want next. And I have a ton of makeup videos, skincare and hair care videos on my channel. Please come and join my sweet little family, and I will be back with another video. Until then, see you next time.